Hey guys, today's video let's learn how we can copy a Discord server in mobile. So first thing first, head over to your browser, get logged into your account via a web browser. You will see a page like this. Now go to the server which you would like to copy. For example, this one. Tap onto the username, select server settings. Now in here, scroll all the way below and you will see server template. Select it and let's go ahead and give it a title like this one. And as you do that, select copy right here, save changes. As you do that, let's go ahead, launch our Discord application. And I'm going to type this URL somewhere in my old channel, the one from which I copied. So just like this, and then send. And once done, select view template. Let's go ahead and give it a name for the copied one. Let's say that was first, so this one will be second. Create server, and now there you have it. So this was my original server, which is server 6. This is my new. This is how it's done. Thank you for watching.